In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Just Market. So all you have to do is just log in or just copy this into your browser and it will automatically say that you have to log in. And once you have logged in, just go to your account and this is what you will see in your account. Now, what you want to do is just click this withdrawal. Once you are in display, you could just fill up your first name, go to your last name and date of birth. Now go to your gender and make sure that your address is correctly filled by, and go to your city and just place your birth and nationality. So once you have filled up your phone, you have to provide the tax identification number or your TIN number. So you have just to click that and continue. Now, once you are in the profile information, this is where you have to fill up your credit card or where to withdraw your money in Just Market. Before you withdraw, you must complete your verification to make sure that your money will go into your credit card or your bank account. That's it.